Welcome to Paper Prompt, the strive for autonomous AI agents built directly on Kite. As we scroll through our landing page, you can see our high fidelity premium interface designed for the next generation of machine to machine commerce. Right here in the Kite Stack integration section, every single code blockchain primitive is natively unified. From custom service registries to gasless relayers, Paper Prompt wraps complex smart contract interactions into beautiful developer friendly endpoints. Watch how easy it is to enter this ecosystem. We click Connect Wallet, authorize a secure zero gas cryptographic handshake through MetaMask on the Kite testnet, and we are instantly routed to our master developer dashboard. Immediately, you are welcomed by a clean visual command center tracking live API call volumes, gas savings metrics, and atomic fused volumes settled in real time. It's one tap, zero gas, and fully audited, providing the ultimate financial infrastructure to bring AI agents into the global economy. Now let's explore the API marketplace. Here, developers can browse all registered service providers with transparent per prompt on-chain prices settled in PyUSD. If you are an API provider, listing your service is incredibly simple. Just navigate to the Register API tab. With our Solidity contract deployer, you can define your custom endpoints, price per call, and tags, publishing your service directly to the Kite service registry on chain with a single transaction. But the real magic happens in the Run Agent console. Let's trigger a live autonomous agent query. Get today's ETH price and BTC sentiment. Instantly, the agent passes the query, matches it against our on chain directory, and triggers an atomic Kite agent passport spending session. We approve the secure custom modal signature, and the background pipeline immediately takes off. Via EIP 3009 gasless relayers, our gateway handles payment, calls the CoinGecko Live API for real time rates, and returns the exact live market sentiment results directly into the terminal. And to seal the deal with full cryptographic truth, we can click the live Kite scan link to view the permanent immutable transaction receipt recorded directly on the Kite block explorer. That is one tap zero gas autonomous commerce, fully audited and verified on the blockchain. Next, we move to the sessions manager. Here, developers can oversee all active agent passports, monitor budget progress bars in real time, and dynamically renew or revoke access keys instantly using our custom modal controllers. Switching to the attestations tab, you can see a complete permanent audit trail of every single call. Because each interaction is recorded as a cryptographic attestation on the Kite testnet, both API providers and developers have mathematically verifiable proof of service and settlement. Finally, we can disconnect our wallet, resetting our state and routing gracefully back to our landing page. Paper Prompt bridges the gap between smart contracts and cognitive computing, introducing a frictionless, fully secure economic layer for AI agents. Build the future of agentic commerce with Paper Prompt. Thank you.